tall trees grow, talking about life and the road ahead, dreaming of the words the prophet said. That's caress, sunlight dancing on the water bright, turning every shadow into golden light. Though the struggle tries to bring us down, still we rise like kings without a crown. Let the river of hope keep flowing on through the darkest night till the break of dawn. Hear the voices sing from every land, love and unity will always stand. Mama praying softly through the night so long, singing children a sweet freedom song, telling them tomorrow will be bright if they keep their faith and hold on tight. Riding along, brothers on the corner playing old guitars, dreaming big beneath the shining star. Every chord they play, every word they say, carries hope for a better day. Let the river of hope keep flowing on through the darkest night till the break of dawn. Hear the voices sing from every land, love and unity will always stand. No mountain high, no valley low can stop the seeds of love we sow. Through every storm and every pain, the sun of truth will shine again. Hear the drums beating strong and deep, wake the souls that were fast asleep. From the city lights to the countryside, let the power of truth be our guide. Let the river of hope keep flowing free, carry the dreams of you and me. Hand in hand we'll build the way to a brighter world someday. So sing the song, let the message fly like an eagle soaring through the sky. Hope will rise for everyone until the work of love is done. Walking through the valley with the morning breeze, hope is whispering softly through the trees. Every step we take upon this land is guided by a stronger loving hand. Extra faith, children of tomorrow, lift your voice. In the path of love we make our choice. Though the road be rough and shadows grow, faith will light the way for us to go. Extra way, hear the elders speaking words of truth, passing down the wisdom of their youth. Every lesson carried through the years turns the pain of struggle into cheer. Extra way, from the islands to the distant shore, songs of freedom rising more and more. Every heartbeat, every melody moves the world toward harmony. Extra faith. When the night is dark and hope seems gone, listen close and hear the freedom song. In the silence you will feel the flame burning bright in every soul the same. So let the river carry all the pain, wash away the sorrow and the rain. Leave behind the fear that held us tight, step into the everlasting light. Turning every shadow into golden light. Though the struggle tries to bring us down, still we rise like kings without a crown.